Hi there, Sonia here, and I'm really excited to show you this quick little hack that I found out last night. Now, if you already have been doing this, bravo to you, because it only just came to me last night as a potential solution to the drudgery of filling up my balloon bag. So the bag that I use is a Aloha from Flower Cloud, and I absolutely love it. So good for what I need. And this is it filled up, and these are the individual rolls that contain the balloons. So I was filling this up last night, and I find that when I am doing my balloon bag, I have the challenge of trying to fill the balloons into the bag that are already in there and the brand new ones, and sometimes I get a little bit lazy about it. But as I was filling it last night, I realized a technique that can be used, a hack if you will, to fill it up nice and quick, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. So here's my bag of 260s. And I'm going to just start by putting it in the top. And bring it all the way through into the bottom. We just need to straighten this out so it's sitting in there and nice and flush as possible. I'm going to go ahead to remove the plastic from the top, pulling out any balloons at the top, and just holding them in the top secure, but not holding the plastic, as then you gently pull. And we can adjust. Until those balloons are sitting just how you want them to. So much quicker and easier. That's actually the least smooth one I've done, so let's do another. I was actually really excited to realize this while I was filling my balloon bag, and I was just so excited I had to whip out my camera even though it is nearly 10:30 at night. Now, that one went a lot more smoothly. So here are some balloons that were in my bag from before. They had gotten hopelessly loose within the bag and they had to be fixed. So I do something like tying the scrap around, keeping it held in place. Basically do that, but that leaving it loose down the bottom, but I just didn't feel like fiddling with it too much. It's still a perfectly acceptable method. I just find that I wasn't doing the step of putting it into the bottom. For me now though, this is a definite game changer, and it's going to make adding the balloons to my bag so much easier. It looks so much better and a lot more satisfying than it did before. The before was a bit scary. I really needed a restock. I'm surprised it took me so long to think of this, but make sure you drop a comment below if this is something that's going to help you out. And if you'd like to know a little bit more about my equipment that I use, I'd love to maybe do a video about that. Make sure to let me know below. But that is it for this video. So thank you for helping me to put a positive twist into your life, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.